In this video, I'm making red fire by burning strontium. I have some strontium chloride, but really any strontium salt would work. I think strontium chloride, though, would be the best. And I'm putting it into a test tube with some water in it. I'm going to put in a chopstick soon, so I kind of use enough of the solution so that I could submerge a good bit of the chopstick, but not so much that when I pick it up it'll be wet. Now I'm putting the chopstick in, but you could, if you happen to have a platinum or nichrome wire, that would work even better. Now I'm putting the stick into a fire, and I'm using an alcohol burner, but really any fire would work. As you can see, when I put the stick into the fire, it turns a bright red color. This is because when the strontium atom in the strontium chloride gets very hot, the electrons jump to a higher energy level, and when they fall back to their ground state, they release that energy as light. And because strontium has a red spectra, the light that it releases is red. Since the nonmetal in the salt doesn't really do much, you could use other strontium compounds to do this, as I said before, but I think that usually chlorides work the best for this type of thing. Sometimes the stick catches on fire, which, as you can see, just happened. And if that happens, you can't really see the color very well, so I just take it out of the flame, blow it out, and then burn a different section. I made a video a bit ago where I did this to a bunch more salts that produced different colors when they burned, so if you want to see that, I'll put it in the description. Thanks for watching!